Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program. We'll ask the user to give the year level of a student based on numerical value 1, 2, 3, 4 using Java programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I will put a link in the video description guys so that you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. So let's begin. I just copied the code from Eclipse into Notepad so that we can have much bigger font, no? Even I explain the code. So we have here import Java util for input output, public class year underscore level, public static void main args. It is the starting and ending point of every Java program. Begin, int your level, and then I create an object here, input, instantiation, new line, the title of our program, student year level in Java, print new line. In this line of code, we are asking the user to give year level based on numerical value of 1. So if 1, freshman, you belong to freshman. 2, you belong to sophomore. 3, you belong to seniors. And lastly, if 4, you belong to 3, you belong to juniors. 4, you belong to seniors. If the selection does not belong to 1, 2, 3, 4, invalid your level, try again. So basically we have here print new line, and then I'm using switch statement year level. So begin, we have your case 1, you belong to freshman, break. Case 2, you belong to sophomore. Case 3, you belong to juniors. Case 4, you belong to seniors. And default or else equivalent in if else statement valid year level, try again. New line here, end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended. Input close, we close the scanner here, and then we close the body of our static void main, and then our public class year level. As I said guys, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial for today. Don't worry. Okay, let us go to our Eclipse. Okay, so let us run. Okay, so your student year level in Java, let's say we have 3, we have 2, you belong to sophomore. We have 3, you belong to juniors. Into your level 1, you belong to freshmen, and 4, you belong to seniors. If the user will give a number that does not belong to any 1, 2, 3, and 4, let's say example number 7, invalid your level, try again. End of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on student year level in Java programming language. I thank you so much guys for watching. Let us summarize the things that we have learned here. We learned how to declare a variable using integer. So when we say integer, it refers to a data type that can only accept whole number, positive and negative number including 0, using the scanner. And then most importantly, we learned how to use switch case statement in Java. Okay, so I hope that you enjoy also along the way learning. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. I would like to shout out for those subscribers that always supporting my channel. Thank you so much guys for your support by watching, sharing, and most importantly by subscribing. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.